Make a great choice today with the 2019 Sierra 3500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, bed liner, chrome wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.